Dell Pro Max Tower T2. Category 4.3, dB. Offer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 15.24 inches, width, 7.4 inches, and depth, 17.24 inches. On the front of the system, we have the power button, universal audio jack, 2 USB 3.2, Gen 1, and 2 USB 3.2, Gen 2, Type-C. On the back is the power connector, 2 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C, 1 Thunderbolt port, 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1 RS-232 serial port, and 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. To open the system, loosen the screw at the back, pull the latch to release the side cover, and lift it out. The system comes with an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K. It has 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 5600 MHz. It can be upgraded to 64 or 128 gigs. For internal storage, there's a 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to a 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD. It has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8 gigs of GDDR7. It has 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and 1 HDMI port. This can be upgraded to an RTX 5070, 5080, or 5090. It comes with an internal speaker connected to a Realtek ALC3204 audio controller. Expansion slots. There are 4 full-height PCIe slots, 3 M.2s for a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card and SSDs, and 4 SATA ports for 3.5-inch hard drive or optical drive. It has an Intel W880 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Power is supplied by a 1500-watt Platinum PSU.